He sits. Beautiful. I'm gonna put a big old hootie. But I just pocket hold these screws in. I use my corner clamp to keep it from sliding one way or another. Now I just need to do the other side, and then I can do the ones in the middle. To get to this one, I gotta do that. I'm talking too quiet, I'm not in frame. The camera's probably not even recording. There's my spray foam. Been waiting patiently over a year. When did I buy this? Ouch. Hey, bud. He's checking it out. I don't know if he approves or not. If he sits, he approves. Don't go left, buddy. You'll fall. Don't go over there. Oh, don't go over there. Ooh. He's out of here. Does not like sketchy things. I can't believe that didn't fall over. Alright.
Once I start spray foaming though, I feel like I should spray the whole can. Otherwise I won't be able to use it anymore. Is that a false statement? Got a bunch of holes in the floor from the seats bolted down. Can fill all those. Also got these pieces of metal here. I could spray foam behind there and pick them up, and they won't rattle when they're down the road anymore. I didn't want to take that off because the whole bus sometimes.
Minimal effort. A simple mark tells me not to glue there. It's all glued and nailed. Random pieces of wood. It was fun to do. This whole thing's done out of scraps and things that were going in the trash. Only thing I bought was tools and appliances, like the water tank, solar panels, sink, all the electrical stuff, inverter, charge controller, stuff like that. I'm not counting, but this isn't vigorously anyway. Gonna use my old goggles. And my old gloves. I've had these gloves for 10 years? 10 years. Maybe red? I'm spraying a lot. breaking the style pretty good. Yep. Fun. This over here.
Yep. I got it. Oh, smart. Good thing it's a messy shirt. This is nice and flush, and it didn't go side to side when I was pushing down on it real hard. So after I put this one in, I came up here, or I went down here first, I put this 1/2 inch in, and this 1/2 inch in. These are 2-inch plywood pocket hole screws, but I'm just using them right here. So now, after I put those 4 screws in, those 2 pieces of wood, I came back and put the rest of my 1.5 inch pocket hole screws back in, or not back in, but in for the first and probably final time because it's glued. Then I have this really sturdy partition here, or this is a finished end. Yep, that's a finished end right there. And it's pretty too. I don't know how much you know about wood, but this is it's an alder veneer. Which alder's a good paint grade, it doesn't show grain.
Put my weight on it. There it is. Nice and flush. On my mark. That's a win-win. If you like watching me build stuff, hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel. Leave some comments. I'm lonely out here. Tell me I'm doing a good job, or tell me it's the worst thing you've ever seen. It's pretty bad. I will say. It is hanky-janky for sure. But I like it. It's mine. I made it out of garbage. Anyway, it's time. Peace.